Hello fellas, what you see here is a funny little toy from my kid, and as you see it's broken from here, and the piece that was supposed to be here it's lost, and I don't have that with me anywhere. So what I plan to do is that I plan to give you a trick by which you could make a new material over here. So I don't know how it will go, but let's get started. But before that, please subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon so that you can receive notifications of the latest upcoming videos. Let's move forward. So what you need is, let's get this on the side. For this project you need a small piece of paper, doesn't need to be pink, it could be any color, a pen, a scissor, and a strong glue. And maybe we also need this, it's a cutter, but we don't know, we'll just see how it goes. So first of all, take this part that is not broken and try to trace out this on the side. So at first take the part which is broken but on the other side which is not broken, place it like this and try to trace out this boundary and also the inner circle. Cut it out with a scissor. We don't really need to cut the inner circle, that's fine. So try to align this such that it forms exactly in the position where you think it is supposed to be, and with a little bit of tape apply it on the back side so that it just holds in place. It doesn't really need to be absolutely accurate. It's good enough. Maybe cut the extra tape out. So now we have to make the glue, but really very less amount because we need just absolutely very small amount. So I will put a link in the description of this 2-part Petex glue. It's more than enough. Mix it thoroughly. Actually, it's a bit more than what we need, but let's see. So now you want to make it actually a filler material right in the place where it is broken, but it was supposed to be here. So now you realize that the paper underneath is going to act like a sacrificial layer, I'd say. And this material is just going to go and add on to it. Either way, this glue has the ability to take loads up to 150 kilograms per centimeter square. That's huge. Probably way more than what is required for this funny little piece of jaw. Okay, so this thing takes actually 20 minutes to become extremely strong, and I will leave it for 20 minutes and let's get back after 20 minutes again. Okay, so we are back after a little more than 20 minutes. And this is how the thing looks. So what we are gonna do is we're gonna make this hole open, maybe with the scissors. Okay, so the sacrificial piece of paper, you could just remove it. So this piece, by the way, it's really strong. Just try to hear the sound. This thing, guys, this can hold up to 150 kilograms per centimeter square. That's huge. So I'm going to try to fix this back with as little force as possible. We're almost there. The other side is fixed. Aha. Okay, let's see. Okay, so it seems like it's completely fixed. Look at this. I mean, it doesn't look, you know, very attractive, but you could use a file to make it very plain like, but who cares? I mean, it works. It's stronger than the original material, and that works. Yikes. It works, guys. Thumbs up and see you later. Don't forget to subscribe, guys.